Okay, Asia session done. In Asia, I look at gold, Nikkei, and the Asia Forex pairs. Did not see anything on gold. It's a breakout day. I was looking for low of the day buys. There's an H8 breakout level here. Did get some fake out setups at the previous day high, but these are counter trend, and I don't like to trade counter trend in Asia. I find that there's not enough volume a lot of times for me to counter trend. Higher time frames all bullish as well, so it's just not something that I would like to take. So no trades on gold. Looked at Nikkei. Nikkei, I was bearish on this. Faked out previous day high on this day. Took a trade here yesterday, and I held it through. And I took partials over here when I got at the H8 breakout level. So I still have runners on this. I did want to add in to my position, but I just did not have any entry here. Was looking for an H4 high or H8 high fake out, and it did not give me any fake out, so missed this move. I don't think it also faked out the H1, so there was no H1 fake outs too. So there was just no way for me to enter this, even though I knew that the move was going to continue on downwards. I'm targeting the previous day low from what is this from on Monday, but I knew this move was going to happen, but I just could not find an entry. It always sucks when that happens, but I always say that I don't trade movement; I trade setups, and so did not was not able to enter this, but my runners are still taking care of business. So that's that, and then so after that, I looked at the Asia Forex pairs, flipped through, did all my signal days. A lot of these JPY pairs were already invalidated by the time I got to the charts. It already broke out of the previous day low. On these days, I'm looking to trade the trend retracement setup. And so these are the rules, and a lot of the rules were already invalidated. So could not trade a lot of these. GBP AUD was one that I liked. It's a pullback continuation signal day. What that means is the higher time frames all pushing in one direction, and then we faked out the previous day low. So I'm looking for a low of the day buy up to the previous day high for the first target, and then high of the structure for the second target. It made it all the way there, but there was no entry for me. When I came to the charts, it already faked out the previous day high, and it was more of a breakout setup. I wasn't looking to take a breakout setup, so no entry for me on this one. NCD USD. This pink one is discretionary. So what that means is there was an inside day. Inside days, I'm looking for a continuation of the previous move, and did not set up for me on NU as well. So did not take NU. The only one that did set up for me is Aussie CAD. Aussie CAD. Let me go on this one. Aussie CAD is a pullback continuation signal day. So again, this is when the higher time frames are mostly pushing in one direction. Monthly, daily breakout levels pushing in one direction. Uh, Faked out that previous month low, and so we're faked out the previous week low as well. So looking to take this up. Uh, it faked out the H4 here, but I was waiting for the new H4 bar, which is here, and it never faked out the new H4 bar until just a few minutes ago, actually. Faked it out over here, and this is when I was interested to take a buy, but this is an inside bar. I don't like to trade inside bars. And also, yeah, so after that, I was waiting for the new hour. The new hour, I saw this nice looking H1 fake out bar, and this is when I decided to enter. So as price got above, it already faked out. Uh, it already took out the last M15 bearish breakout level. So I was looking for a closure above the. For price to push above the previous M15. So I had my stops below the trigger bar, and I'm looking to take this up to the previous day high. And I'll see how it looks like at this H1 range. Looks like there's a range on the H1 inside bar over here. So that creates a range. So I'll have a look at how price behaves over here. But my target is the previous day high. So if it gets all the way there, it's about 3.2 R. And that is it. This is the only trade I took. Pullback continuation, looking to take a continuation of this move. And that's it. Nothing else for me. And now I'm off to London in a couple hours. London, I'm looking to trade the E30 UK 100, kind of like NAS for London as well. And yeah, I'll have a look again later before my session.